To the great man. 181. Nanai, the Australian, is down and out. His 170 will stand. Letty with the 175. Sanele has done the 175. Now, the pedal to the metal. Kick the tires and light the fires. Let's get out of here. Sanele's
in a good mood. He's found something that's amused him. Not so much Jerry Woolwork. He's not too amused with what's going on.
Well, there was just a slight grimace when he did the 175 on Pepe's face. But this will dispatch. So the record now is in threat. Having a look at the record. .185 record attempt. Sanele Mao of Samoa. Wowee! Commonwealth record. Rogers has confirmed the Commonwealth record. Broken his own Commonwealth record by 3 kilos. Brilliant.
Yeah, 182, I would say.
Wow, look at that. Will you look at that?